Hello everyone, how are you all? My name is Akshat Sharma, the negotiator of Team Krishna, and today we are here with our self thought project. In this, we are going to present a skit on the topic food waste and sustainable agriculture. Let's begin. So, beginning with a character introduction, I am playing role of a concerned observer, and here are my teammates.
I am Akash Malu and I am performing the role of vendor.
My name is Atul Kumar and I am performing the role of farmer.
My name is Palvi Singh. I am performing the role of careless consumer.
My name is Lakshya Sahu. I am performing the role of narrator.
My name is G. Karthik and I am performing the role of sustainable advocate.
As you have seen, how much crisis of food is there in the world. Still, one third of total food produce is thrown away. Not only that, due to lack of awareness, farmers don't have knowledge about sustainable agriculture. In this video, we are going to see the problems of farmer and vendor and try to find out solutions.
I guess the rest of this Maggie is going in the trash.
Again, you know how much food you waste every week.
Chill, it's just a few spoon of Maggie. I'm not throwing away a fortune.
Not a fortune. You realize how much resources are going into making this Maggie, energy, water, transportation, labor. It the story of the Maggie is far much bigger than you realize.
Oh, great. Another lecture. Let me guess. Save the planet, save the food.
You are joking, but it's serious. About 1.3 billion ton of the food is wasted globally. You know, it's not just money, it's 10% of greenhouse gas emissions.
What? Greenhouse gases. From my leftover.
Yeah, the food you left are decomposed in the landfills that release the methane gas that is far much more worse than CO2. We are wasting, people are going hungry and we are wasting the perfectly edible food. Meanwhile, we are wasting the food. People are going hungry. The resources are wasted in the food. They are never going to be there.
And so begins our journey. From the dining table to the farm to the market, food waste and unsustainable practices are everywhere. But solutions? Those are in our hands. Let's dive deeper into the story.
This is the place where all starts, the farms. But what happened to the food that never reaches to our plate? So let's talk to a farmer about their yields and what happened in the farms. Hey Ram, how are you?
Hello sir, I am fine sir.
So we are here to know about your yields.
Yeah. Look at this, how perfectly good tomatoes are. But they don't meet the market standard. Sometimes too small, too ripe or not pretty enough.
So are they all going to thrown away?
Yeah, most of it does. I try to transport, but transporting it costs money. And when prices drop, we farmers barely break even.
That is so heartbreaking. So you never tried to perform some sustainable agriculture?
Yeah, I started using crop rotation and natural compost. It keeps the soil healthy and also reduces the need of chemical fertilizers. It's not easy, but it works.
Produce, come get your fruits, fresh produce, come get your fruits, vegetables.
What is happening here?
These vegetables are overripe, no one buys them.
so they are going to waste. That's why farmers need better policy.
So you never try to use some apps or the food banks where you can donate this kind of foods?
It's a great idea, but we need support. It's cheaper to it's cheaper to throw away than to transport it somewhere.
Friends, have you ever realized how much food we waste? We know how much energy and resources are going to waste in this that are never going to be eaten.
You're right. Every piece of food we waste means wasted resources like water, time, and energy. It's like throwing away someone's hard work.
It's even worse for small vendors like me. People want to buy slightly bruised fruit or veggies because they don't look perfect. They forget that the taste and nutrition are still the same. True. It's growing food is not easy. We work so hard dealing with weather, pests, and rising cost. But when people waste the food, it feels like everything is gone in vain.
This was not only problem of yours, it's problem of everyone. Did you know a solution that Europe people from the Europe has found?
Oh, are you talking about the farm markets?
Yes, the farm market are where the people sell, actually the farmers sell their things directly to the consumer. There is no middleman. So, and some place the people are also allowed to pick their fruits and vegetables from the farms only. So they get fresh fruit, fresh product, and it builds a good relationship between the farmer and the consumers.
Wow, that's amazing. When people see where their food comes from and the efforts behind it, they might stop wasting it.
Exactly. Buying directly from farmers also helps reduce pollution. When we buy food from far away, it takes a lot of energy and fuel for transporting it. Eating local is better for the environment and also supports farmers.
Local produce is important. We don't need to buy apples from faraway places when we can grow amazing apples here. It's fresh, tasty, and healthier too. Plus, local markets are more affordable. Fresh food at fair price benefits everyone.
We also need to understand the value of the food. The food we get in our plates have lots of effort behind it. Actually, what happened, it's not about cooking. It starts from harvesting, seeding, and buying all the seeds and equipments.
True, in many cultures, food is considered sacred. We should teach kids about where their food comes from so that they grow up respecting it.
And it starts at home. When families stop wasting food, kids automatically learn the right habits.
You know, guys, there is one more great idea for the cities, the rooftop farming. There people will grow their own veggies in their own terrace.
Yeah, it's fantastic. You get fresh food, you save money, and it's better for the environment. So, plus, it makes cities greener and cleaner.
If city people start growing their food, they will understand that how much effort farming takes. And who knows, I might sell in tools and seeds for rooftop farming.
But even with all this idea, the first challenge is to change the people mindset.
Right. Many ideas like planning your meals, using leftovers, and not overbuying can make a big difference.
That's so important. People stock up too much food and half of it is thrown away because it expires. And leftover food should not go to waste. Composting is a great opinion. You can use vegetables, peels for turning up into fertilizers that we can use for plants and other things. It's all about building trust between farmers and consumers. Local system is good for us, less waste, fair price and fresh food for everyone.
This discussion shows how closely food waste and sustainable agriculture are connected. Each of us has a role to play in shaping a better future.
Yes, we have a role to play in all this by buying locals, by following some new ideas like rooftop farming.
Absolutely. Small actions like buying from local farmers can lead to big changes over time.
And let's remember, it's not just about saving resources. It's about making sure no one goes hungry while food is being wasted.
Exactly. Every food wasted is a missed opportunity to feed someone in need.
Together we can create a system where food is respected and farmers are supported.
That's the goal. A system where no food is wasted.
And where no fruits or vegetables unloved, even if it's a little waste.
Great point. Every small step brings us closer to sustainability. This is the conclusion of our video. Reduce food waste and grow sustainably. We have witnessed the harsh realities of food waste and struggles of our farmers. But now, let's discuss how we as individuals and communities can make a difference.
I just want to start by saying I'm really sorry. I never thought how much damage my small habits were causing. But hearing hearing all this today, I have realized it's time to change now.
That's great to hear. Admitting the problem is the first step.
That's a wonderful idea. Small changes like this, when done by many, can make a huge difference.
Let's also think bigger. Did you know that in Europe, farmers allow their customers to pick fruits and vegetables directly from their fields? It gives fair prices, eliminates wastage, and also helps farmers.
Yeah, it's a beautiful concept. It creates a bond between farmers and consumers. And there is zero waste because people pick what they need.
It also teaches the value of the food. When people see how much efforts are gone in growing all these vegetables, they will never ever throw the food.
And it can be a fun. Imagine a family day out, picking apples or strawberries directly from farm. It's sustainable and enjoyable.
So let's talk about the food redistribution. So much of the food gets wasted from the market and the restaurant, but by supporting the community kitchen and food bank, we can bridge this gap.
I've seen it firsthand. If surplus food is donated instead of thrown away, it can feed so many people. It's always heartbreaking to see food rot while people starve.
There are many apps and organizations that connect surplus food with those in need. If we all spread the word, we can prevent so much of waste.
For those who cook at home, there's always composting. If you have food scraps, turn them into compost for your garden instead of sending them to landfills. It is small efforts with big impact.
Also heard of zero waste cooking. People were using vegetable peels to make broths or turning stale bread into cotton. It's very creative and it's prevent wastage.
Yes, and don't forget to gratitude the meal we get in our plate. It has lot of efforts of the farmer, vendor and the nature and respect it and waste less.
Let's educate others. Share these ideas with friends, family, and even on social media. Awareness is contagious, and even the conversations spread the message.
Remember, every action matters. From choosing sustainable options to educating others, we all have a role to play. And together, we can ensure a future where food is valued.
So let's promise ourselves to make these changes, however small they are. Whether it's growing a plant, donating food, or eating mindfully, every action adds up.
And don't forget to thank the farmer, the vendor, and everyone who works to bring food to your plate. Gratitude goes a long way.
Thanks for watching. Save food,